Hey guys, this video is all about how to plant, grow and care for the GLoxinia plant. GLoxinia is one of the best plants for the springtime, and ideally we should plant the bulb in the month of January or even February. This is one of my GLoxinia plant and I bought this from the nursery itself. At the time of buying, my plant was already blooming. So let's begin the procedure from the very first stage. That means I am going to start the video with planting one of my bulb, and definitely you are going to see the blooms at the end of the video. So let's begin the procedure. So these are the bulbs that I bought online. I am going to add the link to the product in the description box so that you can buy them very easily. For the container, I am going to use a 5" of container, and here I am going to plant only one bulb. However, please note that you can definitely use a much bigger container, let's say 10" or 8" or even 12", and if you are going to use 10 or 12", then you can plant minimum 2 to 3 bulbs in a single container. See, for the potting soil mix, I am doing it really very simple way, and I hope you have already seen this before. So I am doing it this way. Normal garden soil 30%, cocopeat 25%, vermicompost 25%, and rest 20% of perlite. Alright, it's time to fill the container. Please press the soil gently with your hand or any other tool so that air pockets are removed. At the time of planting the bulbs, you might get confused like which way is the up and which way is the down. It's really very simple. The flat part is up and somewhat round part is down. That's it. And you can also see that bulbs have already sprouted, so definitely the sprouted part would be the up. Also, please remember that planting depth should be minimum half to 1 inch, and that's why I am just keeping the bulb in the center and then going to fill the container with some more soil. Planting is done and it's time to water. Please be extremely careful while watering for the second time, and always wait until and unless topsoil is dry and then only water it. Next, I am going to keep the pot in a place where it would be getting near about 2 to 3 hours of morning sunlight. At this stage, please keep the plant only in a bright area. Be very careful while watering, and before watering always let the topsoil or let 1 inch soil dry out before watering. While watering, please make sure that you are not watering on the leaves. A single drop of water can cause the foliar spots or even damage similar to this one. As a fertilizer, I just use NPK 19-19-19 for my GLoxinia plant. Let me give you one example here. So what you can do is you can take half teaspoon of NPK, mix it in 1 liter water and then directly apply on the soil. And that's it. This is the same thing I am doing for my GLoxinia plant. So guys, here you saw everything from planting the GLoxinia bulb to until flowering, and I am really very glad to show you that my plant is blooming really very well. It's also producing lots of new buds and color is really gorgeous, I would say. I hope you found the video useful, and if you have any questions then please don't forget to ask me. Again, I would say that if you found the video useful then please don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great day and enjoy.